let's solve this together. It says 8 raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to 72. We're going to solve for x, alright, in this question. Now, first thing, we can outline the multiples of 8 to be equal to 2 times 2 times 2. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. Furthermore, 72 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, this is now equal to 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 squared. Okay, is equal to 72. Now we can go ahead and replace 8 and 72 with these multiples in this equation. So we have 2 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power x minus 1 to be equal to 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, now moving on from here, you have that when you have a number raised to power another number raised to power another number, you multiply the two powers. So you're seeing that this is 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x minus 1. So you multiply 3 times x minus 1. And this is 2 into 2 raised to the power 3 times x is 3x minus 3 times 1, which is 3. To be equal to 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 squared. From here, you can let's take the logarithm of both sides. So logarithm of 2 raised to the power 3x minus 3 is equal to logarithm of 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, in bracket like this. Now this logarithm is going to be taken in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x here is 2. So we take logarithm base 2 on both sides. Now logarithm of a number raised to a power, you multiply that power with the log. So we have that 3x minus 3 is multiplying log of, okay, log of 2 to base 2 to be equal to, on the other side you have log in base 2 of, and this is 2 raised to the power 3. Instead of times, you replace with plus, and you have again log of 3 squared in base 2. Okay, so anytime you see multiplication, you replace with plus in logarithm. Now we now have log of a number to its own base is 1. 1 times this is 3x minus 3 to be equal to 3 multiplied by log of 2 to base 2 plus 2 multiplied by log of 3 to base 2. Okay, now this is 3x minus 3 to be equal to log of 2 to base 2 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 multiplied by log of 3 to base 2. Now, dividing each term here by 3, we now have that our x, this will be minus 1, to be equal to 3 divided by 3 is 1, plus 2 over 3, multiplied by log of 3 to base 2. So, moving on from here, we can now see that our x here is equal to, this is 1 crossing over plus 1 is 2, plus 2 over 3, multiplied by log of 3 to base 2. And this becomes the final answer for x in this picture. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.